Hello everyone, Rahul is with you, and today I will tell you about my miracle marathon, which helped mainly of my subscribers to achieve a good and stable income in the trading. Also friends, do not forget that in my VIP channel I share daily working and profitable signals for the successful trading. So if you are interested in getting a stable income without making much effort, then I am waiting for you. In my Telegram channel at the link in the description, what is this miracle marathon that I am talking about? So everything is very simple and interesting. Every week from Friday to Sunday, inclusively, I run a marathon with the guaranteed of results, which my subscribers receives. After all that, it where share my secret signals for the successful trading. Absolutely every subscribers of mine who join the marathon will get a big profits on the trading using my signals, which I publish in my close Telegram channel. My subscribers share their results from the marathon with me every day, showing their balance with a large profit which they received from the using my signals. I thank all my subscribers and students who trusted me and making started money from my signals by sharing their results with my audience. So after all, it's really very simple. You just need to follow my instructions and withdraw your big profit. Absolutely, everyone can do it. So friends, do not forget about my VIP channel by joining, which you can earn money with us on the trading. It is really very simple and each of you can handle it if you do not need to have technical analysis knowledge or spend hours behind a chart to make a big profits like me. Rahul was with you. See you soon at the marathon.